Why is it taking a while for our crew to arrive? I know. Feels like it's been forever. Yeah. But honestly, it feels better taking a break on this other side of the Mississippi. After everything I went through, God, I was foolish for the time when I tried too hard to get revenge on Lily and even escaped out of the Maria's pass without permission. Not to mention how we used to be idiots who misunderstood each other and fell out over nothing, when in fact, we really were friends to begin with. Oh, no need to worry. It's still Seth's fault for why all of this went down, including how he and the fake you managed to fool me. Yeah, this makes the two of us on the road we are now. But since we're in New Orleans, this place reminds me where I started over with Lily. Yeah, but pulling these Tropicana reefers also reminds me of something. Do you remember the time when you rescued me in that CSX SD70ACe named Iris on a juice train back in 2007? Oh yes, I have.
Apparently, we are having issues troubleshooting your computer, so we're gonna need a new leader up front.
What?
Yep.
Darn it. How could this be? We took this juice train all the way from Bradenton just for this? Plus, our train is loaded, so we can't be late.
I'm sorry, but we're gonna have no choice. We're gonna have to sit here and wait for the new leader.
Yeah, what a bummer. Still though, better late than never.
Better late than never? Huh. Looks like you inferior EMDs will never keep up with us superior Gs then.
What?
Right. Your pre-production kinds have had so many issues, including rattling the seats out of your crews, having faulty computers, and so on. It's no wonder why you're stalled and running late, even in your high-priority train, while us Gvos are perfectly fine and will be in time.
Will you shut up? Just because I'm not perfect doesn't mean you have to degrade me like this. Yeah, what she said.
Whatever. But just remember that CSX is buying more of us useful Gvos compared to how they only bought 20 of you useless SD70ACes. Because obviously they don't like your kind.
Why don't you go pick on someone who's kind of similar, like me?
Oh, what? Now a G is coming to a raid? Ha! How wonderful.
Well, she's my friend, so you leave her alone.
Whatever. Anyways, we've got to get rolling now. We can't be late, unlike what you three clowns already are. Oh, and don't get your juice ball along the way.
You two all right? Yeah. Can't believe my computer crapped out and that idiot had to taunt us. Thanks, though. Don't mind him. He's just a jerk with nothing better to do. Don't feel bad for yourself. Thanks, May. You're the best. Though I hope we're not running out of time with these juices. Don't worry. Last I heard, these juices have long weeks ahead till their expiration. Besides, there's always worse. Yeah, we'll still get this train delivered in no time. had, sticking up to you and Iris. Yep, a true friendship we all had. Definitely. Unlike what some of those bond-destroying idiots want. But anyways, our crew's finally here. Let's continue our trip further west.